Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
To maximize the battery life of your remote control, 1. Remove batteries if you won't use the remote for an extended period. 2. Avoid pressing multiple buttons simultaneously to prevent battery drain. 3. Store in a cool, dry place to avoid corrosion or battery leakage. 4. Use high-quality batteries for longer lifespan. 5. Ensure batteries are inserted correctly, with the correct polarity, plus or minus.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.